Hey guys, welcome back. In our last video we looked at installing XAMPP on a Windows 7 virtual machine and using WordPress on top of XAMPP. So where we left off was just finished installing WordPress, and today we're going to look at creating new posts, adding multimedia to post, and then we're going to do another short video with some themes and more details about WordPress administration as far as security. So this is where we left off last time, and if you're not on this page, go ahead and pull up your XAMPP portal and log into your WordPress site. You'll use the same credentials that you created in the last video. Alright, so today what we're going to do is create a new site, or a new post. So if you hover over post, it gives you a couple different options. First we're going to do add a new post up in the top left, and we're going to create a new post called "This is how to create a new post." So that's the post title, and then down here we have the content of the post. Alright, so we've got that. Right now it's set as draft. The only other option that you have here is pending review, and currently we're going to leave it as a draft. Visibility, it's public. You can also change it and set it to password protected or private post. You can go down here and click publish immediately, and if you hit edit, it's going to give you a drop down box for different date and time that's in the future. So now we're going to go ahead and click publish here, and then we're going to click on view your post. It's that middle button, and this is what the WordPress demo site looks like. And we just have, this is how to create a new post, the title, and then we have the content, this is a new post. If we hit the back button, we're going to be taken back to that page, and now we're going to add some media. So if you click on the add media button, currently I've uploaded the jellyfish picture that's part of Windows 7. If you click on upload files, it gives you an option to drop files anywhere to upload, or you can select the files. And if you notice, there's a maximum upload file size of 2 megabytes. You could change this in the PHP file settings, in the PHP config. Let's go ahead and upload these penguins. Alright, so for the caption, you could put penguins in a circle. Alternate text, if someone's using a screen reader, you might want to just put the same thing. And for the description, I'm going to put the same. For alignment right now, we're going to leave it at none. Alignment's going to depend a lot on the type of theme you're using. So to test around with it, we're just going to put none for now. And the link to, when you click on this file, if you click on the picture after we publish it and it's selected as media file, it's going to actually give the person an option to download the file. So we're going to put the option as none. And you'll also see you can set the size, so you can do a thumbnail, very small image, all the way up to full size of the image. We're going to leave it at medium and hit insert into post. Alright, so the picture went up above our post. I'm going to go ahead and hit update. And let's click view a post. Alright, so you see our little penguins, and that's how to create a new post. They're pretty excited about it. Alright, so the next thing you can do is you can use WordPress categories. And categories are a very convenient way to organize your post. You can have parent and child categories, making hierarchical arrangements of your post possible. In addition to that, one post can be in more than one category. This gives you a lot of flexibility to show exactly the same. It shows you, if you have one post, you can put it in multiple categories. So if you had one about the beach, you might have the topic of the penguins in it, or if you have one about ocean, you could have the penguins in it as well. Alright, so let's look at how to create WordPress categories. And to do that, we're going to go over here and click categories. That's under the post option. And then we're going to click add new. So we could call this one ocean. And a slug is a URL friendly version of the name. So and it says it's all lowercase, so we're just going to put ocean again. And let's go ahead and hit add new category. Alright, so then we're going to create another one called beach. And at the beach we have sand, so I'm going to create another one called sand. And this is about the hierarchy that I was telling you about. So sand is part of the beach, so we could hit beach and add new category. And then if you notice here on the right you have beach, and then under it you have sand, different category you have ocean. Alright, so after that we can go back to our post and click all post. And we can assign this to a category. And to do that we're going to click on the post title. And then down here we're going to change it to ocean and beach. And we're going to uncheck uncategorized. And we could also do tags. We could tag it beach, penguin, add. Alright, so then we can go back up to the top and hit update. Putting these items in categories, it'll let you go back later and see all of the similar posts that you've had. It gives you an easier way to organize them. So if you look here at the count, we have one for beach, we also have one for ocean, and there's two uncategorized. Those are the ones that I did before we started the video. So that concludes, this was a pretty simple video about creating a post, adding a category to them, and also inserting media into the post. Check back here in a couple days for our next video.